Thank you for buying this 12061 wall mount sign holder from Fixture Displays. The dimensions are 17 by 11. The first number, 17, represents the horizontal distance, and that's the naming convention when you look at a part number like that. The 17 by 11, 17 being the left to right measurements. The overall height actually is more than 11, it's just about 12 inches to give a setback on the very top for mounting screws. And there are 2 holes pre-drilled. This particular sign holder does not come with screws or wall anchors. You're going to have to supply that on your own. They do come with a protective film. You're just going to have to peel it off before you use it. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. This sign holder is made from 2 mm thick material, or about 0.08 inches in thickness. Now we have a piece of graphic inside, and you can mount that to the wall. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. We offer a number of different sizes. Feel free to browse fixturedisplays.com and search 12061. That will give you all the sizes we have available. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.